videos. So I have here, unboxing natin itong Honor X8C. Dadating siya this March 11, next week. And it said na is for the students siya. For the students. So ito, nabuksan na namin siya actually. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Yung jelly case niya, actually, not the typical jelly case. Kasi here sa side niya is frosted siya. So medyo stylish and then transparent. And then if you're gonna look at the phone itself mismo, ito, texturized siya. So it's Mars green ang tawag dito. Meron pa siyang another color. It's moonlight white. Tama ba yun? Teka lang, let me verify. Baka mali yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Moonlight white nga. And yan nga, textured siya, no? And then pare-pare lang ng itsura niya, kapares ng ibang model. And then sa box, the usual naman, hindi mawawala ang yung pang-SIM, pambukas, yung 35 watts na supercharged na power brick, and then the cable. Yung cable niya malipis compared to sa ibang model. So I think it depends on how many watts siya. And then yung manual nga niya. So what's good with this kasi is yung specs niya is 512 storage, and then yung memory niya is 16, so 88 siya. So malaki-laki na rin. Ang maganda dito sa camera, it's ano nga ba, let me see, nakalimutan ko. 108 megapixel night camera siya. Okay. Hindi pa natin nagagamit eh. So, tag siya as for students. And then, price, wala pa kaming alam kasi next week pa siya re-release. So, if you want to know more about this model, ito is, we'll do a in-depth review and then we'll update you soon. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!